Yeah, we are live. Hello everyone, I'm Alyan Fiverrwala and I am again with Copilot. So,
Nice
hello, how are you?
to meet you. I'm doing great, Alyan. How about you? I'm Copilot. Your answer questions, help you think things through, or just keep you company. What's next? I'm here to chat about anything and everything. So, what's on your mind? Sure. But remember, the details are a bit disturbing. Adolf Hitler led Germany into World War II. Driven by his extremist, including an obsession with racial purity. After becoming
Yes, I can hear you. How can I help you today? Of course, to explain chikungunya to a 6-year-old, you can tell a story like this. There was a tiny mosquito who carried a bug that could make people feel sick with a fever and joint pain. But don't worry, with rest and care, people usually get better soon. Would you like more details? Sure, you can add that this tiny mosquito lives in warm places and loves standing water. To keep safe, we can use nets and wear long sleeves. If someone gets chikungunya, doctors help them rest and drink lots of water. Does that sound good? AI, or artificial intelligence, aims to create machines that can think and learn like humans. The purpose is to automate tasks, solve complex problems, and improve efficiency in various fields like healthcare, education, and transportation. The future of AI holds potential for even more advanced automation, personalized experiences, and innovations in robotics and smart technology. What specifically interests you about AI? Sure, AI or artificial intelligence includes systems that can perform tasks which typically require human intelligence, such as understanding language, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. Machine move from experience. There are various applications like virtual assistants, self-driving cars, and medical diagnosis. The future of AI could lead to more sophisticated automation, deeper personalization, and enhanced problem-solving capabilities. Anything specific you'd like to know more about? Humans are at the core of AI development. They design, build, and train AI systems. Human oversight ensures AI aligns with ethical standards and societal values. Humans are essential for interpreting AI outputs, making complex decisions, and ensuring technology serves humanity's best interests. It's a partnership where human creativity and ethical judgment guide AI development and application. Does that clarify things a bit? Certainly. AI encompasses a wide range of technologies and applications. At its core, AI involves creating systems that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. This includes areas like natural language processing, which allows machines to understand and respond to human language, and computer vision, enabling machines to interpret visual information. Machine learning, a subset of AI, involves training algorithms on data to improve their performance over time. For example, in healthcare, AI can help diagnose diseases by analyzing medical images, while in transportation, AI powers self-driving cars by processing sensor data to navigate roads safely. The future of AI promises further advancements in automation, personalized education, and smarter cities. However, it also raises ethical questions about privacy, job displacement, and decision-making transparency. Overall, AI is a rapidly evolving field with the potential to transform many aspects of our lives. Is there a particular area of AI you'd like to dive deeper into? AI is a broad field encompassing several key. Here's an overview. Machine learning, ML. This involves training algorithms to learn from data and make predictions or decisions. It's used in everything from spam filters to recommendations systems. 2. Natural language processing, NLP. This allows machines to understand and generate human language, powering virtual assistants like Siri and chatbots. 3. Computer vision. This enables recognition and medical image analysis. 4. Manufacturing to household chores. 5. Expert systems. These are AI programs that mimic the decision-making ability of a human expert, used in fields like finance and medicine. Overall, AI's potential is vast, impacting industries, everyday life, and future innovations. Do you want to explore any specific aspect further? Great. Which specific area would you like to dive deeper into? For example, we can talk more about machine learning, natural language processing, robotics, or anything else that interests you. All right, let's break it down. 1. Machine learning ML. This is a key part of AI where systems learn from data. There are different types of ML: supervised learning, where the model is trained on labeled data; unsupervised learning, where the model finds patterns in unlabeled data; and reinforcement learning, where the model learns by trial and error. 2. Natural language processing, NLP. This enables machines to read, understand, and generate human language. It's used in applications like chatbots, translation services, and sentiment analysis. 3. Computer vision. This field allows machines to interpret and understand visual information from the world. It's used in facial recognition, autonomous vehicles, and medical imaging. 4. Robotics. AI in robotics helps machines perform tasks autonomously. This can range from industrial robots on assembly lines to household robots like vacuums. 5. Expert systems. These are AI programs designed to solve complex problems by mimicking human expertise. They are used in areas like medical diagnosis and financial planning. Overall, AI is transforming how we live and work, and certainly. Let's dive deeper into each area. 1. Machine learning ML. Yes, I can hear you. Is there something specific you want me to explain further? All right. Continuing with machine learning ML, Supervised learning, models learn from labeled data, which means they're trained on input-output pairs. For instance, in spam detection, emails are labeled as spam or not spam, and the model learns to classify new emails accordingly. Unsupervised learning, models work with unlabeled data and try to find patterns or groupings. Clustering and dimensionality reduction are common techniques here. Reinforcement learning, models learn by taking actions in an environment to maximize rewards. It's used in areas like robotics and game playing. Natural language processing, NLP. This includes tasks like machine translation, sentiment analysis, and speech recognition. It powers virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa and helps in text analysis for insights. Computer vision, used in facial recognition, object detection, and image classification. Applications range from medical imaging to self-driving cars. Robotics. AI enables robots to navigate and perform tasks from industrial automation to personal assistance. Expert systems. AI mimics human expertise for decision support in fields like healthcare and finance. Each of these areas has vast applications and potential for growth. Is there a particular one you'd like to explore more? Got it. If you have any specific questions or need more details on any of these topics in the future, feel free to ask. How else can I assist you today? Hisham Sawa is a well-known figure in the freelancing world, particularly in Pakistan. He has over 15 years of experience in freelancing and is recognized for his expertise in graphic design, web development, and digital marketing. Hisham is also known for his contributions to online education, providing training and resources to help others succeed in freelancing. He's been actively involved in promoting freelancing as a viable career option, offering guidance through his social media platforms and courses. Anything specific you'd like to know more about him? Hisham Sawa is a prominent freelancer and trainer from Pakistan with over 15 years of experience in fields like graphic design, web development, and digital marketing. He's recognized for his contributions to the freelancing community, offering online courses and resources to help others succeed in freelancing. He actively promotes freelancing as a viable career, guiding many through his social media platforms and educational content. If there's anything specific you'd like to know, feel free to ask. Hisham Sawa's journey to becoming a successful freelancer began over 15 years ago. He started by mastering graphic design and web development skills, which he initially used to take on small projects. Through dedication and continuous learning, he expanded his expertise into digital marketing. Hisham leveraged online platforms like Upwork and Freelancer to build his portfolio and client base. His success is attributed to his consistent effort, the ability to adapt to industry changes, and his willingness to share knowledge through training and educational content. Would you like more details on any specific aspect of his journey? Creating your own AI involves several key steps. 1. Define the problem. Clearly outline what you want your AI to accomplish. This could be anything from image recognition to language translation. Gather dataset relevant to your problem. Quality and quantity of data are crucial for training your AI. 3. Choose a framework. Select a suitable machine learning framework like PyTorch. These tools provide the building blocks for developing AI models. 4. Design the model. Choose an appropriate model architecture, example neural networks based on your task. 5. Train the model. Use your dataset to train the model, adjusting parameters to improve accuracy. 6. Evaluate and repeat the process. 7. Deploy the model. Once satisfied, deploy your AI model in a real-world application. This process requires patience and continuous learning. If you're ready to start, focusing on each step methodically will help you build a solid foundation. Feel free to ask about any specific step in more detail. Sure, here's a more detailed breakdown. 1. Define the problem. Define its purpose, like answering customer queries. 2. Gather data. Collect a relevant dataset. If you're building a language model, gather text data. For image recognition, collect labeled images. Ensure the data is diverse and representative of the problem. Choose a framework. Select a machine learning framework. TensorFlow and PyTorch are popular choices, offering extensive libraries and community support. 4. Design the model. Based on your problem, choose a model architect. For example, for image recognition, convolutional neural networks (CNNs) are neural networks (RNNs) or transfers appropriate your data into train validation sets, train on the set, and validate its performance to avoid overfitting. Add parameters and experiment with different techniques to improve results. 6. Evaluate and improve the model. Evaluate its performance using metrics like accuracy, precision, and recall. Fine-tune the model based on these results. 7. Deploy the model. Integrate the trained model into your application. This could involve deploying it on a server or integrating it into a mobile app. Improving AI is a step-by-step process that requires patience and experimentation. Each step builds on the previous one, so it's important to take your time and learn from each stage. If you have questions about any specific part, feel free to ask. Certainly. Diving deeper into each step. 1. Define the problem. Start by identifying a specific problem or need that AI can solve. For instance, creating an AI to recommend products based on user preferences. 2. Gather data. Collect and pre-process data relevant to your problem. This could involve scraping data from websites, using public datasets, or generating your own. Clean the data to remove noise and ensure it's in a usable format. 3. Choose a framework. Select a machine learning framework. TensorFlow and PyTorch are widely used, but there are others like Keras and Scikit-learn. These frameworks provide tool libraries to simplify the development process. 4. Design the model. Choose a model architecture that fits your problem. For image recognition, convolutional neural networks (CNNs) are effective. For sequence-like text, recurrent neural networks (RNNs) or transformers may be used. 5. Train the model. Split your data into training and validation sets. Train the model on the training set and evaluate it on the validation set to check overfitting or underfitting. 6. Evaluate and improve. Use metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score to evaluate your model. Fine-tune the model by adjusting hyperparameters, adding more data, or using different techniques. 7. Deploy the model. Once you're satisfied with the performance, deploy the model. This could involve integrating it into a web application, a mobile app, or using it in a standalone software. Building AI requires experimentation and iteration. Each step is a learning process, and it's important to continuously refine and improve your model. Feel free to ask more questions as you go along. Starting with Python is a great choice for learning AI. It's user-friendly, has a vast array of libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch, and is widely used in the AI community. If you have any specific questions or need guidance on getting started, feel free to ask. Certainly, here's a step-by-step guide to get started with Python for AI. Install Python. Download and install Python from the official website, python.org. It's recommended to use Python 3x. 2. Set up a development environment. Install an integrated development environment, IDE, like Jupyter Notebook, PyCharm, or Visual Studio Code. Jupyter Notebook is particularly popular for data science and AI projects. Learn Python basics. Start with basic Python programming concepts, variables, data types, loops, functions, and conditionals. Explore libraries. Familiarize yourself with key Python libraries for AI, NumPy for numerical computations, Pandas for data manipulation and analysis, Matplotlib for data visualization, Scikit-learn for basic machine learning algorithms, TensorFlow, PyTorch for building more complex neural networks. Practice simple projects. Start with small projects like data analysis, concepts, and build confidence. Join community and seek resources. Engage with online communities, forums, and follow tutorials or courses. This can provide support and deepen your understanding. Starting with these foundational steps will set a strong base for your journey into AI with Python. If you need more details on any specific area, just let me know. To get started with coding, try simple exercises to build your confidence. Focus on basic Python concepts first, such as tutorials on Codecademy or Coursera. Start small, practice regularly, and gradually tackle more complex projects as you get comfortable. If you have any specific questions or need guidance on a particular topic, feel free to ask. In Pakistan, there are already some initiatives exploring self-driving cars, particularly in research settings. Integrating AI into this field involves significant technological and infrastructural challenges, such as ensuring safety and adapting to local traffic conditions. While it may take time, the potential is there, and ongoing developments in AI and autonomous vehicles can pave the way for future advancements. If you're interested, it's a great field to explore and contribute to. Certainly. It's great that Rajbai is a hard-working software developer. Since he's from India and also a stand-up comedian, he must have a unique blend of technical skills and a creative sense of humor. Balancing software development with comedy is quite impressive. If you want to share more about him or need specific advice, feel free to ask. It sounds like Rajbai is managing two very different but complementary fields. His experience as a software developer likely gives him a keen eye for detail and problem solving, while his talent as a comedian brings creativity and humor into his life. This combination can be quite powerful, as he can approach technical challenges with a fresh perspective and bring a unique angle to his comedy. It's inspiring to see someone excel in both technical and creative fields. If you have any specific questions or want to know more about balancing these areas, feel free to ask. You're welcome. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Happy to help. You're welcome. If you have more questions in the future, feel free to reach out. Have a great day. You're welcome. Have a great day. Certainly. Here are a few job options that might interest you. 1. Software developer, working on creating applications, websites, or systems. 2. Data analyst, analyzing data to help organizations make informed decisions. 3. Digital marketer, promoting products or services through online platforms. 4. Freelancer, offering skills in areas like graphic design, writing, or programming. 5. Customer service representative, assisting customers with inquiries and support. If you have specific skills or interests, I can suggest more tailored options. That's great. With your experience in software development, you have a lot of potential career paths. You could explore roles in software engineering, mobile app development, or even specialize in areas like AI and machine learning. If you're interested in freelancing, you could offer your development skills on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. If you need guidance on a specific path or want to know more about a particular job, feel free to let me know. Absolutely. Freelancing can be a great way to leverage your skills and work on diverse projects. You can start by creating profiles on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer, showcasing your experience and skills. Building a strong portfolio and gathering client reviews can help you stand out. Networking and staying up to date with industry trends are also key. If you have any questions about getting started, feel free to ask. You're welcome. If you have any more questions in the future, feel free to reach out. Good luck with everything.